birds.
We are going to the world of parrots.
More birds. That was
Going to the
easy.
world of parrots.
Part-time cameraman. Part-time explorer.
Okay, we're going to the world of parrots.
We're going to the world of carrots.
Parrots.
Parrots, right. Right, we're going to the world of parrots. I'm guessing this is all about parrots. Whoa, look at that. There's Red Lorry, Capturing Lorry, Electus Parrot, Millie Amazon, Blue Fronted Amazon, Yellow Street Lorry. Oh! Oh my God! Oh! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God!
Oh my God!
Duvin boards, Lorry, Ray bowlers.
There's one up there. Whoa! Whoa!
I have no hat. Give me your hat. Give me your hat. Bro, give me your hat.
No! Give me a
So what Paul said?
fast.
The cockatoo looks like me.
Just look at the hairstyle. Really? The hairstyle. The hair.
Parrots.
Oh, whoa! Cool. What? Oh, cockatoo. What?
Did you stop? How many minutes? No, I'm gonna merge all the videos together. Oh damn! All right, look at that bird.
Hello.
Look at that green bird.
Hello.
Oh, look at it.
Hello.
Is that a snake? Whoa! Shut up! Oh my God! Smells.
This also looks like Mr. No, this looks like you.
What? 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 Oh, Dad! Ah! Oh my God! Oh! Oh my God! My ears! Oh my God!
Shut up.
Get the hell up! Shut up, you Mulligan cockatoo! What? Oh my God! He's trying to get out! Look, you're so noisy. This bird wants to get out.
You know what you're trying to say?
What?
I'm playing with your camera.
Alright, let's go. Oh my God! Damn. Okay, where's Addison? Oh shit, Addison's lost. Addison's lost. Mr. Brian, where's Addison? Yeah.
There.
Oh, okay. Ah! How did you get that?
I bought it.
Oh, so good. Didn't tell you or not. Okay, anyways.
And it's extra cold.
Yeah, so you. Oh, it's so cold. Alright, so I guess I'm only gonna take videos when it's important because my battery's running down, so yeah.
What is up, y'all? It's your boss Collider coming up with another episode of the school trip. Yeah, don't worry, it's not the ending yet. I think episode 5 or 4 is gonna be the ending. Alright, so the next episode, basically we are going to eat lunch, and yeah, it's gonna be a very short one because it's just eating lunch, whatever. Anyways, guys, if you do you like this hairstyle? I think it's kind of cool. Yeah, alright. Yeah. Be sure to smack that like button if you want more school trips like this one. Destroy it, and also devour the subscribe button. You know, the one right, the one right under the video. Yeah, yeah. Just exit full screen. It's down there. Yeah, go click it. All right. So yeah. Always remember, never forget, we the boss.